So sometimes solutions come after the problem occurs. Today I'm referring to the problem at the lagoon, Buena Park Lagoon. Well, what happened is that I've been enjoying hanging out with the birds and the ducks and the geese and the zephyrs and all the small invasives and the black arthritic footed singing. It's not a crow. I guess it's something like I don't even know what it is. And then I was trying to bring awareness to idiotic people overfeeding birds, which depresses them and prevents them from actually even desiring to go stand in the pond and hunt for their own food, which keeps them young and youthful and healthy. But I am also guilty of wanting to connect with them in such a way, slightly more intuitive. What I should have done was not take my morning coffee and meeting my friend to the lagoon. That's what I did wrong, because then I wouldn't have felt empowered to talk to the stupid people who were already there. They were already the second people there to want to get some hair on, to go chomp, 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 chomp. I don't see what the big deal about it is. I mean, you can easily treat the birds and also have a strong connection with them. But when you overfeed them, you just take away everything that they're about. You know, you take away their will. It's like when we cage birds. A long-time bird owner, and the idea of having 1,000 birds in cages. However, I love the idea of being able to keep species and get to know their personalities, but the idea of them, not being able to have their free will, to me, that harms them. Anyway, next time, just go by myself and maybe I just stay away from them for a while. I don't know. Use all the inspiration that I already have saved up. I was going to say that was a long talk.